it's Kristen. Today I have an unboxing. It is Munchpak. This is so awesome. These are snacks from around the world delivered to your door. So if you guys are not familiar with Munchpak, you can go over to their Facebook. They have an Instagram and also they have a Twitter. So this is it. If you guys want to go follow them, check it out. I'm going to open the box. These are snacks from all across the world. So I do have a promo code, Kristinreviews. You'll receive $3 off your first order and it expires in 1 year. So here is the referral if you want the promo code for $3 off your first box, and I'll label the information below in regards to how much the boxes are and everything like that. So stay tuned to see what's in the box. Okay, so I opened the box and it has, this Munchpak was handpicked in beautiful sunny Arizona by Nick. That's so cool. And then you open the box and look how cool this is. There's your different items. And then they say this one here is from Spain, and it tells you right there where it's from and what it is if you can't read the writing on there. This is tourist selected black truffle chips from Spain. Next we have Candia Texas fries tomato flavor from Taiwan. Next we have Ginibus asparagus mini biscuits from Japan. So cool. You get quite a few things in here. ETI Pop Keek with lemon from Turkey. Wow, that's cool. Stork Knocker wafers, crispy wafers from Germany. Another thing from Japan, lemon tablets. So cool. Next is Yolker Albini bites from Turkey. Muzaban hazel bar from Mexico. These are Festi vanilla cookies from Colombia. These are Yuki and Love whole grain energy bar cheese flavored from Taiwan. Next are Chorus honey and fruit chewing candies from Japan. And last but not least, which is super cool, this is red cream soda from USA. So go over to Munchpak's website, use my code down below, Kristinreviews, for $3 off your first box. Excuse me. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. And I do all type of unboxing videos. So this one was really cool, I thought. I'll link all the information down below so you can get your first box. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.